Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we're going to change this tire right here on a semi truck. So first thing first is safety. So you want to make sure you have something chuck the tire so the truck don't roll. Even though the park brake is set and I know it's not going to roll, but still keep that there. You never know, odds might stack against you. So next thing what you want to do is get the jack. This is a jack. You can see how big the jack is. So you want to get the jack underneath there. The next thing you're gonna need, jack stand. Right, so okay guys, so I want to get one side up, so I'm gonna bring it to one side a little bit more. So when you're changing a truck tire, you don't want the truck to be too high off the ground, you know. Alright, so now I'll get this right there. Go up a little bit more. Alright, so that's good. So now I'm gonna lower the jack a little bit. Alright, so that's good. Tires off the ground. So that's good. Now we gotta get the impact gun. Alright guys, so now we get this big bad boy right here. One time for the thumbnail. So now you can see I got that off. So I can just put my foot underneath here, take that one off. So now we have that off. Now we need to take the tire off. So guys, what we got next is so guys, this is a rotational tire, so make sure the arrow going to the front, and when they install the tire they make sure to mark this side of the tire. So this is the heaviest part of the tire. So the rim gonna have a little move on when you put it on the hub. So you want to turn it and let that part be at the top, so it don't vibrate when you do that, because there's no balance on this tire. Just gotta counterbalance it, like counterweight it with the tire itself. So yeah. What you want to do is line up the tire just like that. Like that, and then so now we're gonna bring the heaviest part of the tire to the top. You see how it look? You see the gap there? So when you bring it to the top, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop down to the bottom. Alright, so now you can see it drop. So now we get that, and now we just need to tighten up everything. Run them in. Alright, so now we're gonna need a torque stick. We have a sharp one right here. So guys, now you want to double check your work, because it's a truck tire and truck drive on the road, and my family also drive on the road, and your family also drive on the road. So you want to make sure that it's good. Check extra stuff like wheel seal, that's not leaking. It wasn't leaking on the older tire. The older tire is right there, it's not leaking. So now we're done with the job. Just need to go up again. And once we go up again, we just take this up just like that, and now we can lower the jack nice and slow. and then that's it. Also guys, please go ahead, nice, please go ahead, like, comment, share. So I'm away from the nice. Also please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and continue to help me to grow this channel together guys. Peace out, see you next time.